Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I've got a quick unboxing of the Pixel 2 XL for you, and I do mean quick. I've been a fan of Google flagships since the Nexus 5, and you guys know that I already had the Pixel XL, so of course, I had to get this phone. This year, we've got a new box. It's more of a rectangle, and after opening it, you'll find the Pixel 2 XL up front and center. Next, you'll find your Team Pixel information pack. I gotta say, I find it interesting how French is the second language of choice here, but anyway, here's the documentation. Below that is the USB connector, the USB-C to USB-C cable, and the headphone dongle. Lastly, we've got a USB power brick, and that's it. Coming back to the phone, let's go ahead and unwrap this. It is a one piece, which makes it easy for us, and here it is, the Pixel 2 XL. It feels really nice in the hand, and it's so light. Almost as if it's made of plastic, but I like how it feels. It's tall but kinda wide, and I like that too. So let's take a closer look. Along the bottom, you've got the USB-C jack. On the left-hand side, the SIM tray. Up top, a noise-canceling mic, and on the right-hand side, the power button. On the back of the phone, here's a closer look at that single camera, flash, and imprint scanner. With the coating here, it seems like fingerprints won't be an issue, but we'll get more into that in my review. Ejecting the SIM tray is easy, just pop it out. There's no SD storage tray with Google phones, so make sure that you pick the storage you need up front. Let's go ahead and insert my SIM and boot up the phone to set it up. Since this is an unboxing, I'll set up the phone off camera, and I'll just say that using the cable here and my Note 8, it's pretty easy. Almost all the phones that I'm interested in have been released this year. I'll pick up the iPhone 8 Plus. I'm also going to try for the iPhone X to see which wins the spot of my daily driver, so stay tuned and subscribe to find out which I choose and why. Okay, so there you have it. Just a quick video as we get ready for some comparisons and reviews. To me, this is the best time of year to get a great phone and accessories, so get ready. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, do leave a thumbs up. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one.